My son gave me this set of knives a few years ago, a Remington little collector pair of knives. And when he did, he also gave me this knife sheath that went along with it that he had made when he was in Boy Scouts. And you can see I've used it quite heavily. And the snap had fallen off. And so I was in danger of losing the knives, possibly, as I put one in there at a time. And so it was time to get a new sheath. And so I pulled out my leather tooling tools that I haven't used since college. I actually put myself through college tooling leather. And so I decided to get one of these little kits, and this is what I made. So this is the new knife sheath, as you can see. It snaps there. I actually did the tooling of the leather. On the back, you can see I've stamped my name. And so now I have a brand new knife sheath. Edges are burnished with beeswax, and used a block technique to die it, but leave enough of the cuts in, and those skills came back. So it's nice, and now I have a new sheath.